who returned back on the 57th day of the hearing. There's a lot of development that have taken place over the past weeks, and we're here to deal with the summonses that were adjourned from the last hearing to today. So without further ado, I call on the council to take us through this morning. Thank you.
Good morning, Commissioner.
Good morning.
Commissioner, essentially, we will be submitting that all the summonses be extended to next week, Commissioner. More particularly, Tuesday, the 13th of December at 10 a.m. The reasons are, Commissioner, there were further documents that were requested by lawyers for Curtin Brothers and Bellimo number 39 Limited, which we have yet to produce. The documents in particular are those relating to the documents produced by Curtin Brothers, or rather KCH, Commonwealth Consolidated Holdings Commissioner. There were also transcripts that we were to also provide, and also documentation relating to correspondence exchange between the Commission and the lawyers for the Prime Minister, Commissioner. Other than that, Commissioner, we wish to formally call the matters, and we do so by mentioning agenda item 1, which relates to the summons issued to the Prime Minister, summons number 21. Now, Commissioner, in this particular summons, the Prime Minister, as I mentioned earlier, for reasons owing to documents still outstanding to be produced to Curtin Brothers and Bellimo, and the unavailability of the Prime Minister, who is also away overseas on duty travel, we understand, for the mining conference. Those are the reasons upon which the extensions are sought in respect of that particular summons. So, Commissioner, if summons number 21 could be formally extended to Tuesday the 13th of December at 10 a.m. for hearing.
Yes, thank you, Council. I think the reasons are quite clear, and it is obvious that Prime Minister is away on the national duty, and therefore, in consideration to that, the Commission directs that summons number 21 issued to Prime Minister Honorable James Marape is now further extended to Tuesday, the 13th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing, dated this 6th day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
As the Commission pleases. The next items 2 and 3 proposed to call together. That's the return of summons number 3 and return of summons number 4 issued to Curtin Brothers Holdings NG Limited and Bellimo number 39 Limited, respectively, Commissioner. If I can invite my friends to formally enter their appearance in respect of both these summonses.
Thank you.
Yes. Good morning, Commissioner.
Good morning.
My name is Wood, first initial D.
Yes.
And I appear with Ms. Tevloni, initial R, in relation to Ballymore number 39 Limited and Curtin Bros Holdings NG Limited. We should also have by video Mr. Vridimos, King's Counsel, but I think it looks like there might be some reception. Oh no, he's now appearing. So if Mr. Vridimos could also announce his appearance.
Thank you.
I appear, as Mr. Wood said, I appear with Mr. Wood, as Mr. Wood indicated, and Ms. Tevloni if the Commission pleases, for the two companies.
Thank you. Council.
Yes, Commissioner, so as I had indicated earlier, for the same reasons that have been disclosed earlier, Commissioner, we also apply to extend summons number 3 and 4 for mention on Tuesday, the 13th of December at 10 a.m. Now, Commissioner, there are documents that are also outstanding, so we will endeavor to produce those outstanding documents to my friends. I had various discussions with them as late as this morning, and we will obviously work towards getting those documents to my friends as soon as possible. But that is essentially the position in respect of those two summonses, Commissioner, unless my friends wish to address the Commission on anything else.
Thank you, Council. Mr. Varitamus, Council, you have anything to say?
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Commissioner. Mr. Commissioner, I agree and confirm with what Mr. Guerrero has indicated to you, the Commissioner, namely that there are other documents that he has agreed to provide to us, some of which have been directed by you, Mr. Commissioner. So we have received some documents as directed, and Mr. Guerrero, I confirm he's correct in informing you that he's agreed to provide documents that have been directed but not provided to date, and some additional documents, as well as the transcript. So that's all accurate, and for the record, we'll continue to reserve our rights in relation to the production of the documents or non-production and any prejudice that might arise from the late production or non-production.
Thank you, Council.
Just wish to place that on the record.
Thank you. In consideration to that, Council, I'm satisfied with the requirements that is needed, and also the reasons that also been provided. And in relation to that, the Commission, after considering that, considers that, and therefore directs that summons number 3, dated 10 December 2021, issued to Curtin Bros Holdings NG, bracket, Limited, is now further extended to Tuesday, the 13th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention. Dated the 6th day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. And similarly, summons number 4, dated 10 December 2021, issued to Ballymore number 39 Ltd, is also now further extended to Tuesday, the 13th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for mention. Again, dated the 6th day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. Thank you, Council.
Mr. Commissioner, please, Commissioner, in terms of the balance of the summons, as I indicated earlier, we now propose to basically adjourn all those summonses listed as items number 4 through to 38, also to Tuesday, the 13th of December, 2022 at 10 a.m. For hearing.
Thank you, Council. In relation to the other summonses, as noted from the Daily Diary, that is number 4 to 38, I now give a blanket directions that all these summons now is now further extended to 13th of December 2022 at 10 a.m. for hearing, dated the 6th day of December 2022 and authorized by the Commission. That's the blanket direction from the Commission. Thank you.
The next hearing date is set for this Thursday, 8th of December, 2022 at 10 a.m. So unless there is any other business before the Commission, Commissioner, we submit that the proceedings be adjourned to that date and time.
Sorry,
Commissioner, you will recall that the next hearing is this Thursday,
yes,
the 8th of December.
Yeah,
So we propose that the hearing is adjourned to that date at 10 a.m.
that is on the 13th.
Commissioner, this Thursday, the 8th of December,
Yes,
you'll recall the landowners or the
Yes,
interested persons return to address the commission on the compliance or otherwise of directions issued earlier.
yes,
So that all I'm mentioning is that the proceedings will now be adjourned to the 8th of December, just for the record.
8th of December.
Correct.
Thank you, Council. I'm satisfied with that. The directions, insofar the Commission is concerned, is now further extended to the 8th of December. That's all on the issue of the landowners.
Very well, Your Honor. Very well, Commissioner.
Any other issues?
No further submissions, Commissioner.
No further submission. Councils?
Nothing further from us, thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you. Thank you for your presence this morning. I appreciate that, very Timos, for your presence this
Thank
morning.
you, Commissioner.
And also Mr. Wood and the council. Until we return back on the 13th, which is Tuesday next week, and I'll call on the associate to adjourn the hearing to the date. Thank you.
Commission now states again to Thursday, 8th December 2023.